So guys, if you're also unable to receive messages sent by your friend on your GB WhatsApp, FM WhatsApp and your WhatsApp, then what should you do? How would you be able to receive proper messages sent by your friends? I have seen that a lot of viewers are making comments regularly that we are unable to receive messages sent by our friends. We have tried all the settings which are required, still the many viewers are facing. Today in this video, I'm going to give you the complete solution. I'll tell you what settings you have to make, whatever version you are using, whatever application you are using, no matter you are using GB WhatsApp, FM WhatsApp or your WhatsApp, and no matter what settings you have applied earlier, today follow all the tricks, follow all the steps that I'm going to tell you, and you will be able to receive messages properly. So for betterment, we are going to jump to the mobile screen where I'll tell you step by step every single step. So let us start the video. So guys, if you're also unable to receive messages sent by your friends, today in this video I'm going to tell you 3 steps. You have to follow those 3 steps, and I guarantee after following those steps you will be able to receive messages. Or status, you may say. Sometimes also this is happening that a lot of viewers are making comment they are unable to receive status of my friends, and my friend is also not getting status of mine. So if you try this trick, this will sort out all the problems that you have. First thing, what you need to do, whatever application you are using, no matter GB, FM or you, long press on this application, click on I button, and thereafter open app settings. If you have Android version 8 or below that, you have to reach to the app settings from the settings portion. Thereafter you need to scroll down, and here you can see that option is shown storage. Click on storage option, and thereafter here you will find 2 options are shown, clear data and clear case. Please don't click here clear data. You need to click here on clear case, and you need to erase all the clear case. You need to click here. After that, come back, come out of this application, and just you need to open this application. This was the first step that we did. In the second step, what we have to do, click on the 3 dots shown on the top, click on GB settings and go to the privacy and security. Once when you click on privacy and security, let me tell you some options are shown here. First thing, scroll down and you can check it out, show blue ticks after reply. You can disable it, and thereafter you can see here contacts, groups and broadcast. Click on contacts. If you have ticked any of these options, please untick them. I'll tick it and I'll show you what messages shows. When I click here, you can see that use this mode on your own risk. Messages might get delivered, received late. If you enable this option, what would happen? Then you will not be able to receive messages timely. This is a warning. Sometimes we don't read warning and we enable it. So if you have enabled it, then what would happen? That you will not be. If you have enabled any of them, then the same problem will be there. So you have to untick it and just click on OK. This was the second step, and thereafter come out and restart your application. So now you can see that the application has been restarted. If you want to enable a single tick hide or hide typing, you can apply it for a particular contact. For that, what you need to do, click on the chat, click here on the top, and thereafter here you can see that the custom privacy, enable it, and here you can choose. So what would happen if you will choose that option in privacy and security, then that option will be applied for every contact, because thousands of messages are coming every day. If you apply for all, then the messages will not be delivered timely, but you apply this setting for a particular contact, then messages will be received and will be sent timely. So if you want to hide blue ticks, you want to hide second tick, you can enable here. I recommend that don't do it, don't use these options, otherwise this problem is there that a lot of viewers are there who are making comment that they are not able to receive the messages. These 3 steps are here, you have to follow, and I guarantee you need to untick contacts privacy. Let me show it again if you forget. Click here, go to GB settings, go to privacy and security. Here in the bottom you can see some options are shown. 3 options, contacts, groups and broadcast. Click here, untick these all options. Click here, untick these all options, untick. And third one, untick these all options. These things you have to do, and trust me, your messages will be started receiving to you timely. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel so that if we upload any video, then you get the notification first. This is all about today. Very soon we'll see you again. For the time being, bye bye and take care.